Discover the rich history and culture of Israel. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are taking you on an incredible journey through the rich history and vibrant culture of Israel. Whether you're a history buff, a culture enthusiast, or simply curious about this fascinating country, join us as we explore the land where ancient traditions meet modern innovations. A glimpse into Israel's ancient history. Israel's history dates back thousands of years, making it one of the oldest continuously inhabited regions in the world. From the biblical tales of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob to the magnificent reigns of Kings David and Solomon, Israel is a land steeped in spiritual significance and historical milestones. The ancient city of Jerusalem, with its iconic sites like the Western Wall, the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, and the Dome of the Rock, stands as a testament to the city's profound religious importance for Jews, Christians, and Muslims alike. The cultural melting pot. Israel is often described as a cultural melting pot, blending influences from diverse communities and traditions. This vibrant mosaic is reflected in every aspect of Israeli life, from its food to its festivals. Cuisine. Israeli cuisine is a delightful fusion of Middle Eastern, Mediterranean, and North African flavors. Enjoying a meal here means indulging in dishes like falafel, hummus, shakshuka, and the fresh, colorful salads that accompany every meal. Festivals. Israeli festivals are lively celebrations that bring people together to honor their heritage. From the joyful Purim, where participants wear costumes and enjoy parades, to the solemn Yom Kippur, the holiest day in the Jewish calendar, each festival offers a unique glimpse into the cultural and religious fabric of the nation. Modern Israel, innovation and creativity. Beyond its ancient roots, Israel is also known as the startup nation for its remarkable achievements in technology and innovation. Home to some of the world's leading tech companies and research institutions, Israel's contributions to science, medicine, and technology have had a global impact. Tel Aviv, often dubbed the city that never sleeps, is a hub of creativity and innovation. With its bustling nightlife, beautiful beaches, and thriving arts scene, Tel Aviv embodies the dynamic spirit of modern Israel. Natural wonders. Israel's diverse landscapes offer something for every nature lover. From the lush green hills of the Galilee to the stark beauty of the Negev desert, the country's geography is as varied as its culture. The Dead Sea, the lowest point on Earth, is famous for its therapeutic properties and unique buoyancy, making it a must-visit destination for any traveler. Experience Israel's hospitality. Israeli hospitality is legendary. The warmth and generosity of its people will make you feel at home, whether you're exploring bustling markets, enjoying a meal with a local family, or hiking through its stunning landscapes. Visit Israel, a journey through time. Israel is a land where ancient history and modern culture converge, offering a unique experience for every visitor. Whether you're drawn by its historical significance, cultural richness, or innovative spirit, a visit to Israel promises to be an unforgettable journey. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Israel's history and culture. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world's most intriguing destinations. Shalom and see you next time. Li Ying. Include links to travel resources and QR codes for easy access to more information at the end of the video.